You may have seen a video that is actually being quite popular on my channel about how I travel pack as a photographer for carry-on only. And I do mention in that video that I was about to receive a new travel tripod, and I was very excited because that tripod is very light, very compact, very good quality and super versatile. And I was surprised because many of you in the comments section, you were guessing which tripod it was without giving you any clue. I just said that for me was the best travel tripod and you guys guessed it. So that means that we share the same opinion and many other professional photographers as well. So today I'm going to talk about that tripod. I'm going to tell you about all its features, and so many of the features probably you didn't even know you needed them till I tell you, because it happened to me when I figured out all these features. I was like, wow, actually, I never thought about those and I need them so bad as a photographer because they would make my life way easier. So the tripod itself is the Ulanzi Uncommon Zero F38, and it comes with a very compact and good looking cover, foot screws in case you need the tripod to be more stable on certain surfaces, and the strap for the tripod cover. The tripod is made from carbon fiber, which you may know it's an incredible material because it's very lightweight and very strong. The load capacity for this tripod is from 5 to 6 kilos. And this is insane for such a lightweight tripod because it weighs only 1.1 kilos. And is even more narrow than my water bottle, so I can keep it in the water bottle pocket of my everyday camera bag because it fits perfectly. It has also my favorite head system, which is the 360 degrees ball head. It goes very smoothly and is super comfortable to shoot horizontally, vertically, or adjust the camera. It has also a level and a panning option, which is very good for panoramic shots or even for video. And I'm gonna be coming back to my travels, and this is the only tripod I'm gonna be taking with me for everything, for taking landscape photography, for taking self-portrait photography during my travels, and the self-portraits I do while traveling, I sell them a lot in stock photography websites. So if you don't follow my channel yet, I'm gonna link below a playlist of stock photography to teach you how you can make money with your photos. So you can check that playlist later. And also the tripod is gonna be useful for my videos. So I'm gonna take this tripod for everything. It has a hook in the central column that many people take for granted in all tripods. As a solo traveler, I use this feature in other tripods a lot because when I'm taking self-portraits, I do need safety in my camera and my tripod. So what I do is hang my camera back in that hook so it's proper safe, it's sturdy, and it doesn't move anywhere with the wind or with rough surface, because it happens a lot. I'm shooting in the mountains or something and the tripod is a bit weird, it's very scary. So I just put the camera back there and that's safe. And this tripod has a load capacity in the central column for the backpack of 18 kilos. I don't think I'm gonna put such a heavy backpack there, but 10 kilos, 8 kilos easily. So this is super important to have as well. It's super strong. And the features I'm gonna talk about now are insane and they're gonna make you love this tripod even more. So the main one is the quick release system. First of all, the quick release system for me is the most useful in all tripods because it's super simple and super quick to attach and detach the camera and the tripod. But also Ulanzi thought about this properly, thought about photographers a lot, because you can buy very inexpensive accessories to make all the system even better. So you have this item here, which is the quick release system for the camera bag. So what you can do is attach it to the strap of the backpack, and that way you're gonna be able to remove it from your camera strap and put it in the tripod to shoot. And then when you finish, right away you can attach again the camera to the camera strap and keep going. This is super comfortable because you don't have to screw and screw between other systems, and you're not gonna have to put the camera in your backpack again and then carry on your hike or wherever you're gonna be shooting. This is super comfortable and I never had it before, so I'm very happy to have it because it's gonna make my life way easier when I'm shooting outdoors. Also, you can buy plates separately, like this one, and you can attach them to your current gear, to other tripods or even gimbals, so that way you're gonna have the whole system in all your gear. So when you attach the little plate to the camera, you can attach it to your camera strap, you can attach it to the tripod, to the gimbal, and you don't have to be switching plates, which is a pain in the ass, and I've been doing that because I do have other tripods and other systems. So I think they thought about everything, and the accessories are very inexpensive as well. So I really love the quick release system. And it's everything in the details. if you unscrew the little hook, you're gonna find this little tool underneath, which is crucial to adjust the tripod legs from time to time, because sometimes they get loose. With any tripod that happens, or other gear. It's a very universal tool, and many times I lost it in my camera bag or I forgot it at home. So it's very clever because it's attached to the tripod, so you're not gonna lose it. And another incredible thing about this tripod, if you're a photographer and content creator like me, you're gonna be very thankful about this. Because many times, not always, you think that you need a photography tripod and a video tripod. Well, this tripod, you can change the central column. So if you buy the column for video and the hydraulic head for video, all you have to do is swap things around and this tripod converts in a video tripod. So this is incredible, guys. I'm very happy with this because I'm gonna be shooting video sometimes I'm gonna be shooting photos. So with this system, I can personally have just one tripod, and with these accessories, I have a universal quick release system, and I do have a video tripod as well. And everything is super light and super compact. It blows my mind all the features they put in a travel tripod, because time ago, a travel tripod was just that, a travel tripod and very basic. But now you have all these features in such a compact and lightweight piece of gear, and the price you may think is expensive, but if you appreciate all these features, you're gonna realize it's not expensive, because other brands are double the price and they have less features than this one. And you're gonna have an exciting 10% discount through the link below and a coupon code I'm gonna add. And please, if you have any questions about the tripod, let me know, because I can reply to you about any doubts you may have before getting it. And if you like photography, creativity, and travel, because I'm going to introduce a lot of travel blogs I'm very excited about, of my life as a photographer abroad, traveling on my own with my camera, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you took something good from it. And also, I never say it, but click the bell button, because many times you're going to miss my weekly videos. It does happen because of the YouTube algorithm. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you very soon. Big love.